We figured out that 13.6 ounces is pretty heavy, over half a pound. But I believe that once this is triggered, and you just move your drone just a little bit, you'll be rocking and rolling. A little shake. Bob's your uncle. Okay, here's a can of fluid that weighs exactly 8 ounces, and we were going to see if it will carry and drop static half a pound. 3, 2, 1. So there. A 16-ounce can, which weighs a pound and 2 ounces, all total in real weight. I'm fairly sure this won't drop. It's too heavy for the mechanism. It pulls down on the pin. But let's see if maybe if you're in the air you could carry it for a bit and shake it loose. This is useful for clients that have had the Phantom 3 in Australia and New Zealand. A lot of fishermen guys use this. So we shall trigger. Make sure it's triggered. It's triggered. So now, see the little shake. So it's even possible to carry over a pound, and if that drone is moving, that thing's probably going to drop out of there. That's good to know. It's pretty heavy.